side's going. Welcome back, guys, to 509. So today we're out here in 7 Mile and snow is finally melting. So we brought out the Slash and the Xmaxx just do a little bit mudding around here. Hopefully we find some good puddles. The snow is still kind of icy on top. So both trucks are stock. Slash does have the Hobbywing speed control, but the motor stock. Xmaxx is completely stock besides the HD arms. Let's get the trucks dirty. Oh look, I'm already stuck. Are you stuck too? Yeah, I'm like stuck, dude.
It's the sand making it stuck.
Yeah. Okay, let's try that one more time, but I'm gonna have to go faster. Ah! Xmaxx, no problem, dude. Dude, Xmaxx is just a beast.
Damn, you made it tough. Whoa.
Ah,
Too much horsepower.
too much horsepower, dude. Slash was tripping a little bit. I was gonna say, see how if you could go fast, will it hydroplane with regular tires? Ah, it kind of does. Yeah, that looks like a good spot right there. Yeah, just jump right into the puddle. Oh, that is pretty deep. Oh shoot! Hey, you think Slash will go through it?
Hell no.
Easy! Woo! I'm just gonna have to like jump over the whole thing. Oh! Oh! What a surprise!
Look at that.
Dude, I thought for sure you wouldn't get through.
Pretty deep.
I think it's just the Slash is so light, it just stays on top. Do a front flip. No. Yo, Xmaxx! You think, is it going? Is it moving? Oh yeah, it's going.
Never died.
Xmaxx never died. Oh, and it's shut down. Ah! I don't know why speed control just shuts down.
It's alive. Yep.
I'm gonna probably just go a little bit like right here. That part should be pretty good for a little jump.
Nice. That was legit, man.
Legit, Nick. Hey, let me go park over there. I thought you were gonna jump on me. Nice.
Barely, bud.
You like flipped it. Good. Can't block right here. Hey, let's drift together in a circle. Think we could do it? Oh, you made a hole. Yeah, it's breaking the ice. Slash could help you. Get out, buddy! Get out! Okay, now I can jump over the Xmaxx.
Damn, Daniel.
Woo!
Quit following me.
Sorry, bro. Can you be my friend and help me? Okay. Dude, quit following me, dude.
Playing tag.
Oh. Am I supposed to tag you now? Yeah. Oh, shoot. Hey, where are you going? Ah. I think I tagged you.
I think you did.
Yeah, my other body, Gabe's body, the one he painted, kind of already broke off too, so I put this one, but this one's already bad too. So, oh, I might need a new body. Hey, you think you could make up this hill?
Nope.
A 180. Do it easy. Man, only if I had bigger tires. Oh! It got up.